Hello everyone, my name is Abby Bliss White, and today we are gonna get outside of my comfort zone. We're gonna be doing a smoky eye using the new Victoria Beckham Tuxedo palette. So you guys, I wasn't sure if I needed this one. I got a little nudge from a few of my beauty friends. Thank you, Stacy. Thank you, Penny. And they were like, yes, you need to get this as well. So today I am doing a little bit more of a dramatic smoky eye look. And if you are interested in seeing how I got this look using this gorgeous eye brick, then let's go ahead and jump in. I've already done my complexion, so we're just gonna focus on the eyes. And we're gonna do kind of a traditional smoky look. Kind of excited, you guys. Okay, so I'm gonna take this beautiful shade here. That is going to be in Blanc. And I am going to place this kind of all over the lid. I am using the Sonia G Blender Pro. And I'm gonna kind of put this, a light dusting on my entire eye. You guys, I love the packaging of these eye bricks. So I am taking these to New York with me. So as I'm doing my travel makeup, they are just so slender and the packaging is awesome. And then they kind of just give you the perfect little eye look. I have the signature, I have the tweed, and now I've got this tuxedo. I am just placing down a little bit of that Blanc as a base. And then I am gonna go in to this gray shade, which is Rain. And this is the one I wasn't sure about, you guys. It is a cool gray. I don't tend to wear those, but I kind of thought it would be pretty. I'm just placing this all over my lid. Okay, you guys, this is definitely different than I normally wear, but I'm liking it. I am now going to go in to this shade right over here, and that is in the shade. Here is a swatch of this beautiful quad here. So you've got Blanc, you have Rain, Noir, and Fumé. You guys, this is definitely a gorgeous, cool toned gray palette. I am taking my Sonia G, this is in the Worker Pro, and I put it in this little Fumé shade over here. And we're gonna build up a little bit of darkness in that outer V with a light hand. Now, one thing is, I love these powders, these shadows, because I feel like they are buildable. Now, I know some people thought they were a little bit powdery, but I'm kind of liking that because you can build it up slowly. It's not coming up way too quick. So don't worry, I'm gonna blend that, but I'm gonna come over with the excess. And again, coming into that outer V, and then just slightly coming up into that crease, just a little bit. I am gonna go back to the Blender Pro, and we are going to kind of smoke this out a little bit. Blend this just slightly. I don't wanna get it all over my lid, but I do wanna soften this. Before we go on, I'm actually gonna go ahead and use her Victoria Beckham. I have her pencil in the black shade, and I'm actually gonna go ahead and line my eyes on the top with that, and then we will use this powder as well to kind of soften it a little bit. But you guys, her pencils are amazing. Super soft, so I'm just actually gonna kind of tight line underneath the lashes real quick, and then we'll use that other powder Okay guys, I put a little bit of black eyeliner, kind of tight lined on the top. Now on the bottom, I'm gonna take a little bit of this lighter gray and I'm gonna run that underneath my lash line. And then we can decide if we want to build that up a little bit deeper. But for the day, I thought it might be nice to do a softer gray on the bottom. Now, if I was gonna wear this at night, I could definitely kind of up the ante with the black. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with this noir in the powder, and I'm gonna place that, I'm gonna do a little bit of a thicker line on right close to the lash line. This is definitely more of a smoky eye look. It's always fun to mix it up. This is probably something you have not necessarily seen on my channel before, but it is kind of fun. I am just gonna soften the edges and I'm going to go put mascara on, and then we can determine whether we wanna put a little bit more underneath my eyes or not. I kind of like having a little bit more of the oomph on the top of my eyes for this kind of smoky eye look. Okay, I got a fresh tube of my favorite, my Chantecaille mascara. I'm gonna go do that, fix my brows, and then we will kind of play around a little bit more with this look. Okay guys, we have got this kind of smoky eye. And I rarely use black eyeliner, so feeling a little bit like, ooh. But I also thought, so here is this initial look just using the Victoria Beckham. And again, you guys, you could go lighter on that black eyeliner. But I think we'll do one more thing with this look. And I have to give a shout out to Trisha Cooper. She is a subscriber and she was so sweet, you guys, because we got together and she lives locally and she's thinking about creating a YouTube channel, which I'm highly encouraging her to do. And she brought me a little gift, and she brought me one of these new Sicily eyeshadows. She bought this in the shade Silky Steel for me. Number one, that was so freaking nice. You did not have to do that, but of course, I'm so excited. So you guys know I love a little bit of sparkle on my lids, and I thought, you know what? We're gonna use just a bit of this as well, since we've already got this kind of intense eye. Just wanna show you, she said this is one of the most beautiful formulas she's ever used in an eyeshadow. And I thought, you know what, this has a little bit of, see how it has a little bit of reflection in it? I think we'll try just a little bit of this as well on the lid, just for a little, since we're already doing a smoked out eye, we'll just go ahead and use this. So I'm just gonna go, and again, kind of pat this with my finger. You guys, these are super creamy, so creamy. I almost feel like it's almost best to use these just with your finger. I could be wrong, I will play, but we're gonna go ahead and we're doing I'm gonna go ahead, you guys, and I'm gonna take this fluorescent. This is so pretty. So you guys, that just kind of amped up this entire look. So we went from matte to just a little bit of shimmer here on the lids. Okay, I am feeling va-va-voom. I am really enjoying all of the Victoria Beckham. You guys, this is an amazing shadow. I'm so excited to play with this just a little bit more. I will be taking this to New York. Thank you, Trisha. That was so sweet of you. And I am going to, now I'm like, ooh, I might need to get some more. Okay, we are going to finish off my look with this adorable Chantecaille kit. This is the Wild Pears Cheek and Lip Duo. And I have had a subscriber tell me that I have to purchase this because the blush is in Bliss. And I was like, you know what? I do. Bliss is actually my maiden name, just in case you don't know. So, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at how beautiful this is. This is the Butterfly, and this is one of their blushes. The other day, I used my other blush that I have from them in Pride, and I was kind of worried that they might be the same shade, but this one looks like it's got a little bit of highlight in it. And you guys, this is an old one that was, the cause was for the lions. And this cheek shade, this directly supports the Monarch Butterfly Sanctuary and their commitment to keeping their winged wonders safe. And then you guys, I have been wanting to get one of these. This is in the Lip Veil. This is in that beautiful shade Honeypot. And this is going to benefit the Space for Giants and their innovative work protecting the endangered elephants in Africa. You guys, I love elephants. Oh my gosh, I love this shade. So you guys, there's a couple of these that I have been wanting to check out. I have some of the, I think they're the Lip Cheeks, or I'm not exactly sure, but I have several other of these lipsticks that I love the formula of. And oof, this color looks like it's gonna be right up my alley. And look, it's gonna go perfect with this look today. So excited. This is so funny. You guys, when I get these pretty kind of makeups like this, I almost don't want to use them because it looks so gorgeous. But this one right here, you guys, is this beautiful pink, but then it's got that butterfly that has some highlight to it. So I'm so excited because I was thinking I was purchasing. I do already have a little blush on, guys, but we'll add just a little bit more so we can see. This just showed up. So I was like, we might have to go ahead and use this. Oh my goodness. That is so pretty. I am using the Sonia G Cheek Pro. You guys, this has this kind of pretty kind of highlight blush duo in together. So pretty. I'm actually gonna go ahead and take this Sonia G. You guys, this is the Face Pro, but I like to just kind of use this all over. You can use powders. We're just gonna blend that in. Wow, that is a beautiful shade. And yes, this is Bliss. I just think this would make such a great gift. So I'm way into the whole holiday gift giving right now. Getting ready to go to New York, and I have so many little things on my list of things to check out, but it comes in this adorable little kit just like this. I just think this would make a fantastic holiday gift. That is part of the reason I was getting this, to include in sort of a gift giving set. But since it showed up, I thought, let's go ahead and use it. So let's go ahead and put this Honeypot on. Ooh, okay. You guys, they are so moisturizing. Oh, I love this shade. Okay, I was worried it might be a little bit too light, but it actually is not. This is one of these that's like your lips, but better. Super pretty shade, you guys, in Honeypot. So the blush, and then it comes along with Honeypot in this beautiful packaging. You guys, do you see the little elephant? So cute. And Chantecaille is one of those brands, you guys, that basically you can feel good about buying your expensive makeup because a little bit of the proceeds is going to be going to these organizations. So it's a feel good. Oh, okay. Love the lippy, love the blush, and I'm so happy that I picked this up. So this is the final look. I've got a smoky eye. We've got that Bliss blush and that Honeypot. Ooh, I love that. You guys, thank you so much for watching. I am going to be trying to vlog a little bit in New York, but honestly, it's such a short trip that I will probably be loading that up when I get back. But I'm really excited because I've got a couple fun things that I will be doing in New York that I'm going to be sharing with you guys. So have a fantastic rest of your week, and I will talk to you guys soon.